Hi everyone, and I welcome you all to episode 2 of the AI Career Deep Dives by Solver, where everything is about technology. Before starting today's video, I want something from you all, your undivided attention, because I want you all to walk this career path along with me as I share how to become an AI project manager in India, a non-technical career roadmap for the ages 50 to 25. If you're ready, hit that subscribe button. Let's roll and start with the basics. You might have observed this. AI is shaping life everywhere in India. SBI uses it to approve loans, Apollo Hospital for early cancer detection, and Unacademy to create personalized learning paths. But here's the contrast. Majority of the AI projects face failure. It's not because engineers lack coding skills. They give their 100%, put their heart and soul into the project. The failure happens because there's no one holding the pieces together, ensuring end-to-end coordination. AI project management is a completely different ballgame. It's not just about coding. AI projects come with their own complexities. Multiple expertise are required, whether it's a data scientist, engineer, business analyst, marketer, human resource, and even a legal expert, because of the ethical and legal aspects. And this is a whole web of complexities. It takes a lot to deal with the setup, and that's where exactly an AI project manager comes in. They not only have domain knowledge but also expertise in handling cross-functional teams and the necessary patience and communication skills to balance all the interested parties, right from developers to business leaders who might want a quick product launch. That's what makes them a perfect person, ensuring that the project gets completed on time. Let's assume Ravi is a traditional project manager managing a payroll software. His set of tasks: install the software, train the employees on how to use it, and ensure timely payouts. Straightforward and predictable. On the other hand is Meera, an AI project manager in charge of an AI recruitment project which could change the way how hiring works, where the engineers are training their AI on 50,000 resumes. HR is worried. Will this AI hire fairly? Legal team asks, what if the personal data leaks? Business leaders are pushing, we want this live in just 3 months. Meera has to juggle deadlines, ethics, privacy, and team coordination all at once. That's what makes her job very different from Ravi. Now that we understand the basics, let's dive into the roadmap to get a clearer picture. The best foundation for becoming an AI project manager is Commerce with Maths, because it teaches you accountancy, wherein you learn how money flows into the business, whether it's through P&L, cash flow, or balance sheet. As a future project manager, it helps you to track budget, control expenses, and measure project returns. Business studies covers concepts like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. These concepts directly match your job as an AI project manager, where you guide these cross-functional teams and keep project on track. Economics helps you understand market, demand and supply, and impact of RBI and government policies. This perspective is vital when your project is in banking, finance, or policy-driven sectors. Mathematics sharpens your logic and problem-solving skills. You don't have to code, but maths helps you understand patterns and calculations AI systems are based upon, helping you to take smarter decisions. Along with these subjects, what really prepares you for the role of AI project manager are the small habits you build right now. Microsoft Excel. Plan a farewell budget by noting planned versus actual spending, income versus expenses. Trello, a simple project management app where you make boards like today, tomorrow, this week, helps you track tasks and build organizational skills. Debates, discussions, and school councils helps you build that communication muscle and leading groups, in turn building confidence. Now that we have the foundation, the next step is graduation. BBA helps you build a foundation in marketing, finance, management, and organizational behavior. Helps you build team management and budgeting skills. Top colleges: NMIMS Mumbai with their BBA FinTech program through NPAT exam. Christ University through BBA in Decision Science through Christ University entrance test plus personal interview. Shahid Sukhdev College for Business Studies, Delhi University, BBA in Financial Investment Analysis through CUET. BCom Honors focuses on accounting, auditing, and corporate laws. Perfect for finance and compliance role in AI projects. Top colleges to aim are Shri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi through CUET, St. Xavier's Kolkata through internal exams plus cutoff, and Loyola College Chennai through merit plus internal process. Now, apart from these degrees, what you need is a sprinkle of extra exposure. Consider these courses: Diploma in Project Management by Allison, Introduction to AI for Project Management by Udemy, AI Fluency for Students by Anthropic, and for deeper understanding, go for AI Fluency Framework and Foundations. And don't skip internships. Even small tasks like updating Trello boards or tracking deadlines count as real practice. At this stage, you start your journey by entry-level jobs, giving you both the experience and credibility for PG admission. Project Coordinator. Here, you support project manager by scheduling meetings, tracking tasks, and keeping records. The role builds your basic in planning, organization, and communication. Business Analyst. The role involves analyzing data and explaining to business leaders in simple language. The role trains you to connect technical output with business decisions. Junior Project Manager. Here, either you manage smaller ones or assist project manager in larger projects. The role develops leadership and resource management skills. Apart from these projects, it's necessary to build a file portfolio, project boards, budget sheets, risk logs, and ethics checklists showcasing your ability. Now that you have necessary work experience plus portfolio, it's time for an MBA. IIM Ahmedabad, 2 years MBA, best for general management, prepares you to handle HR, finance, and operations across large-scale projects. IIM Bangalore, Decision Sciences, equips you to use data for smarter business and project decisions. IIM Calcutta, strong in finance and digital transformation, helps you manage tech-driven business change. Entrance exams for all IIMs: Common Admission Test, Indian School of Business, Hyderabad and Mohali campus, 1 year PGP. Compact program covering AI, blockchain, and Internet of Things, ideal for project managers interested in aligning projects with emerging technologies. Requires you to undertake GMAT or GRE and have 2 years of work experience. XLRI Jamshedpur, 18 months PGDM, focuses on HR, marketing, and operations. Best for project managers handling cross-functional teams. Needs GMAT, GRE, SAT plus 3 years of work experience. Along with these degrees, these certifications will sharpen your edge. Certified Scrum Master. It teaches about Scrum, a project management framework based on Agile, where the projects are broken into smaller chunks called sprints for faster delivery. Prince 2, Foundation and Practitioner. Projects in controlled environments. A global method that keeps the project structured and risk controlled. Now, it's time to look at the tools that make the project functional. Jira manages tasks through sprints, boards, and tracking, making deadlines clear. Notion AI, central hub for notes, standard operating procedures, and compliance checklists. Power BI turns raw data into dashboards, showcasing return on investment and project trends. Like in a fraud detection project, Jira tracks sprints, Notion keeps compliance logs, and Power BI highlights fraud trends for executives. Internships pay around 5,000 to 15,000. For the roles like the salary is around 3 to 6 LPA. For business analyst, it's around 7 to 15 LPA. For the junior project manager, the salary is around 8 to 12 LPA, which involves managing small projects and assisting seniors. AI project manager with an MBA from a renowned institution plus certifications earns around 30 to 45 LP depending upon the company and the scale of projects. So now that we know the complete in and out of how to become an AI project manager in India, I want to thank you all for your undivided attention. This was all for today. See you all in the next video. Till then, keep watching Solver, where everything is about technology.